Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a great storage container for leftovers, baby food, iced coffee? I have the perfect one for you. It is by Firgi, and this thing is made of silicone, and it is such good quality. It will last for years. It comes with 4 compartments, and each one seals individually. So I did a little experiment. I put water in 2 of them and left 2 of them empty. As you can see, I can turn it over, shake it, flip it back over, and water stayed in its compartments. So this makes it really nice when you have leftovers. Everything can stay in its own compartment. It also seals really well, so you can pop this baby in the freezer and you don't have to worry about freezer burn. It also is dishwasher safe. You can boil it, you can pop it in the microwave, you can pop it in the freezer. This thing withstands all of it. I've used it for some leftover chicken broth I made. It's stored in perfect long little strips for me. I have made iced coffee and froze it, so then I have nice non-watered down iced coffee the next day. So I found this super convenient to have in my kitchen. So if you are looking for a nice way to freeze some things in your kitchen, I highly recommend this container by Firgi, but that's just my point of view.